Well, welcome to Beans, Brews and Bread. It's that time of year for the Garden Organic Heritage Seed Library. So it's perfect time for getting your membership sorted out, logging on. I'll send a link under the description below. You can join Garden Organic and you can join the Heritage Seed Library at the same time. And you can get 6 varieties delivered for your heritage seed trials for next year. So let's go and have a look. So on Beans, Brews and Bread today, we've got the Heritage Seed Library deliveries come. So the membership has all been paid for. You've got to pay membership for the year. You can also pay membership to be part of the Heritage Seed Library. And what that entitles you to is a choice of 6 seeds from an endangered list, which are grown by seed producers as seed guardians who are part of the scheme. And they grow the seed from the Heritage Seed Library, and make your choice, and you get 6 packets of seed from the online list, subject to availability, and you can then grow them next year. And you're encouraged to provide any feedback on how they've grown, what the tastes like, what the yield is like. You're also encouraged to save your own seed, so you can keep on growing your own stock as long as you don't offer it for resale. But this is a great way of getting involved in seed saving, preserving heritage and endangered varieties. Also just trying something a little bit different, because it's great growing, normal varieties you can get off the garden centre or online, but these heritage varieties are really important for keeping diversity, interest of old varieties that that may not be able to get anymore. So I made my choices this year. I had my delivery, not sowing them now, but we thought I'd do a video because I had a look online today, and stock is already starting to get limited and out of stock on some varieties, particularly tomatoes. So if you are interested, I'll put a link below, link for the membership. You can join, put your order in, and you get your seed for this year. So what I've decided to go for this year, and these are the packs, are radish, white turnip. This is a small little globe variety, very old, sort of mid 19th century. Not really grown a white turnip before. Obviously you get sort of mooley, radish, that kind of thing, but this isn't like that. It's a little tiny salad variety, so that'd be quite interesting. So we've got that one. Tomato, this is called a Gaia de Firenze. This was apparently some seed purchased, an Italian heirloom variety at a Gaia festival in Italy in 1991, but a heritage variety nonetheless. Sort of a sort of Costoluto ribbed sort of red variety, so I'll be interested to see that one. And apparently it says if you want to save seed on that variety, keep it isolated from any that have a pointed flower stem. So sort of pointy ones. So I grew this year the Vesuvio variety, then keep them isolated from those. Pea, great for seed saving peas. Peas are really easy, along with broad beans and French beans, to save the seed. But this is pea carlin, popular in the northeast originally, historically. It was something which you dry your peas and you'd make sort of peas pudding with, but that's a tall drying pea variety. So we'll get that planted, see how many we can get and save the seed, and maybe try some in a peas pudding. Classic northeast delicacy. There's a turnip here which is called, and please forgive my Norwegian pronunciation, the Malselveneper Brandhaug, which is a heritage Norwegian variety. Apparently a really nice globe yellow turnip, not sort of a snowball variety, not a, what's the Italian one, the Milano one. This is a all yellow variety, so I'm interested to see that one. Might be close to a Swede maybe. We'll get that one going, try that one early in the year or maybe later, so we don't run to seed and get woody roots. Onion, another heritage Italian variety. This was a Cipolla Bianca Agostana, which is sort of a slightly flattened globe. Supposed to be really nice flavour. Interested to get that one. I might get that one sown fairly soon, January time, or maybe Boxing Day tradition. Get the the onion seed sown, and lastly something called tall kale, which is a broad flat-leaved variety, can grow up to apparently 1 metre in height, and that's supposed to have a taste similar to spring greens, so it's a collard green, cabbagey kind of flavour. Apparently flower shoots as well, so I don't know, maybe have a bit of a crossover with the purple sprouting broccoli as well. So we'll try that one earlier on in the season. But that's the 6 I've grown. I've kept some back from other years. We've done the Heritage Seed Library order, so we get a few more grown on the plot this year, a few more heritage varieties to save the seed, particularly like the P. de Freuer Heinrich, sort of a Monge 2 sugar snap variety, great little pea, that one. Yeah, great if you could give the Heritage Seed Library at Garden Organic a go this year. If you do, pop a comment down below if you've decided to put an order in. I'm interested to see what varieties you've picked, whether you're going to go for any of these or try any of your own. But thanks for watching today. If you like the video, it'd be grateful if you give it a thumbs up. If you're going to join or you're going to pick your own heritage varieties, then stick the ones that you've ordered down in the comments below, and we'll have a bit of a chat, see what you've gone with. If you haven't, then I'd be grateful if you press the subscribe button and particularly the bell icon so you can be notified the next time I've got a video. But quick video, seeds on order, delivered, ready for sowing in the new year. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.